What is good, y'all? So today we have a double banger, double whammy today. I'm thinking of releasing Rivian first, stock analysis, and then ending it up with Netflix here. First and foremost, I want to give a shout out to my cousin John. He's a stock trader and stuff, but he's basically just he we talk about this all the time. Like I do the same thing with my students and stuff. So these are things that I like just if somebody throws a chart my way, I'll go ahead and analyze it. And then, if I see it can be like a good concept, I'll go ahead and throw it in the channel. But aside from that, I like to always give credit where credit's due, first and foremost. So with that being said, John, salute my dude. You already know how we go. And yeah, let's get right into this. So we have Netflix on the daily time frame. Their ticker symbol is NFLX. And from here, it's basically like I think he had a buy here, and he was heading up, and he should have already cashed out. I'm gonna have to hit him up about that, but dude's an extraordinary trader. So from here, I am looking, obviously it's already done, is doing its thing. So from here, I would like to see if it's going to actually continue going back down towards that, surpassing that $70 mark, right? We did get a break of support here. So now we're kind of retesting it as usual and then continue going towards the downside. That's basically it. If we do end up breaking above that $78, $79 mark, I would like to see a little slight retest towards that 76, 75 bucks, and then going right back up, reaching that $80 mark. That's it. In this simple case, I mean, man, like we can see that let's say 5 minute, it decides to go ahead and take a sweet time. Boom. So right here on the 5 minute, you can see already that we kind of already got some structure level here happening here. So boom, we got this level, boom, boom. We need to see something happen between here. So this level here is where I want to see if it's going to basically make a break. That's it. So, and I get the days basically almost over, if not already over. So I would like to see if we're going to get like something of this sort going back up, right? And then possibly continue higher. But I would like to see if that's going to end up happening. If not, then obviously, like I stated, all right, boom, we can definitely get something like this, right? Where we got this move on down, right? Possibly do this, and then we got to break past this $73 little wick area, and then we can actually target like that area of 72. Like that's basically it. So again, if it ends up coming back down, and this is a short trade, so the long trade would definitely be this $70 mark here. So that's basically all I'm looking for right now as far as Netflix. So again, I think in my Rivian chart, I mentioned about this is just basically me just showcasing the charts and not only charts but the skill set, because I think everyone deserves to learn the skill set, and this is something that is basically like it's great to know because this deals with your everyday life. Like even if you're a 9 to 5 worker, like your 401k, they're tied to these charts, right? They're tied to these quote unquote investments. All right. So it's always good to know like what's happening because once you retire, I mean, you got your money in your hands. I mean, it's a good skill set to know, and then also a good way to actually like make your 401k actually work for you in that same sense. I mean, it's already doing its thing. But with that being said, I want to say thank you to everyone who's been liking, subscribing, sharing, most of all the channel. I greatly appreciate that. And if you have any questions, as usual, leave it down in the comments section. And as usual, do not forget the notification bell. So every time I drop, you get the notification. And, you know what I mean? Like you basically get to lock in with me. So with that being said, have a blessed one. Have a good one nonetheless. And I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Don't forget, it is 4th of July weekend. So please, please, please be safe out there. Many blessings to you and your families. And have a good one. Peace.